In this video, you'll learn how to turn off the VPN on your Google Pixel phone. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your VPN settings effectively and ensure your internet connection is operating through your normal network. Begin by unlocking your Pixel phone and locating the Settings app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Once you have opened the Settings app, look for the option labeled Network and Internet and tap on it. This will take you to the connectivity options available on your device. Scroll down to find the VPN section and select it. This area displays all currently active and saved VPN connections. It is important to ensure you are in the correct menu before proceeding to manage your connection. Next, you will see a list of VPN profiles. Tap on the currently connected VPN profile to view its details. This screen will show you the connection status along with additional information about the VPN. Reviewing this information is crucial to confirm that the VPN you're about to disconnect is indeed the one that is active. Be aware that some applications may manage VPN connections independently, so check if necessary to ensure you are addressing the correct connection. After confirming the active VPN profile, look for the option labeled Disconnect and tap on it. Once you do this, the status of the VPN will change, indicating that the connection has been disabled. At this point, your internet connection will revert to the regular network routing, allowing you to browse the web without the VPN. To verify that the VPN has been successfully turned off, you can check your connection status, which should reflect your normal network. If you ever need to reconnect to the VPN, you can do so at any time by returning to the same VPN section in your settings. Managing your VPN settings allows you to control your privacy and access settings effectively, ensuring you have the desired level of security while using your phone. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.